Dear future husband, I love you too. Love, your future wife. Sorry, late reply. Actually, kanina pa ako nandito. Kaya lang ang dami-daming tao. Gusto ko naman sa atin lang ang totoo. Alam mo na, allergic ako sa mga viral na yan. Kaya yun, hinintay ko muna talaga makaalis lahat ng mga tao.
I must be dreaming. Or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take
Dear future wife, it's nice to finally meet you. I'm Rafi, by the way. I'm your future husband.
Well, it's nice to finally meet you too, my dear future husband.
just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens
Ikaw lang pala yung hinahanap ko.
every time.
Tagal mong dumating eh.
Just
Na-traffic lang. Dear future wife, totohanin natin to
Dear future husband, sayong-sayo ang oo ko.
I love you.
Ay! Naku, sa wakas. Sa wakas, narinig ko rin. Sa wakas, sinabi mo rin. Dear future husband, I love you too. Mahal din kita.
Sa wakas, future na.
It's worth the wait.
You are worth the wait.
look into your eyes. I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens
Future wife?
Yes?
every time that I go. Just fall in love again, and when I do, can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Ang KJ mo.
Hoy,
Ano ako, Lola?
KJ? Can we try again?
Pwede ko naman...
Hindi. Oh, sige lang. Please, sige lang.
Diba?
Don't stop. Don't stop. I'll wait. I'll wait.
Okay. Okay.
Just fall in love again.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ay, alam ko yan.
Hello, how do you do? I'm glad to be with you. You and you and you.
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.